Hello, and welcome back. And if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, spicy buffalo chicken. It's not too spicy, it's perfect, okay? Simple, no hassle. And please, I'm going to ask you to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. So let's get right to it. Okay, so let's start with prepping our chicken. I have about 1 pound of chicken wings here, clean, cut up, ready to go. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt to this. Just ensure that everything is coated evenly. Then we are going to place these chicken wings on a wire rack, okay? So you need to leave space in between. And once we have done that, we are going to place these into the refrigerator overnight, preferably if you can, and we're gonna do what's called a dry brine method. So after 24 hours, this is what it's looking like, and your oil should be prepped, hot, and ready to go. So next, we're gonna fry our chicken wings in batches for about 12 minutes. So after 12 minutes, this is what your chicken wings should be looking like, nice and crispy. So go ahead and place these on your wire rack to rest. And then we're gonna move straight into making our buffalo sauce. Before we do, let's do a crisp test. Okay, so we're gonna need some hot sauce, and you can use Frank's or any hot sauce of your choosing. You're gonna need some vinegar, and of course, I'll leave the measurements in the description box for you. You need ketchup, as well as we're gonna need 1 stick of unsalted butter. So to a saucepan, you're gonna add your hot sauce on low flame. Then you're gonna add some ketchup, and you're gonna ensure that you gently combine this mixture. And you're also gonna add your butter. And as you can see, I'm just adding my butter a small bit at a time. This just gives me better control over my sauce, and I want it to be very smooth. Okay. To this mixture, you're gonna add the remainder of butter. And again, you're gonna ensure that everything is nicely combined. Your flame is on low. We're gonna add some garlic powder to the mix. Again, make sure everything is nicely incorporated. We're gonna add some salt to taste. I'm using about a pinch. And then we're gonna add some vinegar. And again, make sure everything is nicely combined. The sauce looks amazing and it smells even better. So get you a big enough bowl, and we are going to sauce our wings. Next, we are gonna sauce and serve. So you're gonna pour a little bit at a time because you don't want to over sauce. And then you're just gonna give that a good mix. And if you're not a professional tosser, you can just grab a spatula or a tongue and just ensure that everything is nicely coated. Okay. And our buffalo wings are ready to serve. The color looks amazing. It smells even better. Oh my God, you have to try this recipe. And it was simple, right? So do me a favor again, just like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.